Is your AC system working flat out without delivering the benefits it should? A good air conditioner contractor should be experienced enough to handle all your heating and cooling requirements, from seasonal checkups and simple repairs, right through to the installation of a full energy-efficient system if necessary. Contact us today and get the friendly service and great workmanship you're looking for. Pick up your phone now and call us for your air conditioner maintenance in North Little Rock, Arkansas, today.